You ruined it. So what do we got here?
So we had shown on our social media a few months ago, before the whole virus thing happened, that we were very interested in getting a toy for the shop. And the toy is a custom 3-wheel go-kart. So it's got 2 wheels in the front and this big old meat fatty in the back that drives it. So we just went and picked it up, got a great deal on it. The people really wanted to help us out because they know it's going to be for the channel. So definitely shout out Jason, and I'm drawing a blank on his son's name right now. I'll remember it. But anyways, we went and just picked this up. We are now headed on back to the shop so we can go ahead and rip on this a little bit.
Hi, welcome to Burger King. Sorry for the wait. Go ahead and order when you're ready.
Hit 2 for $6. No, Impossible
Whopper.
And can I get one of them an Impossible Whopper, no ketchup, no mayonnaise, add mustard, please?
Okay, so the 2 for $6, 1 Whopper, 1 Impossible.
Yeah, and the Impossible, I want with no ketchup, no mayonnaise, add mustard, please.
Okay, anything else?
Nope, that will be it.
Okay, second window, please.
Thank you.
That's nuts. Dude.
So we do need a new throttle cable for it, which we'll be getting here soon. You don't want it, dude. Be careful, get used to it. This thing is so much fun. It just whips in circles. Once we have the throttle cable, it'll really rip it. Dude, that thing just looks so cool from behind with a big old fat tire. And we will get a more powerful engine on it too. But it is so torquey. It is so torquey.
Dude, this shit's wicked, dude. It got power.
Dude, it's torquey. It's super torquey. Oh, it's so awesome. Yeah, we might have to lift the pedals up so they don't get in the way of the steering and push them back here.
Yeah, I was noticing that.
Dude, it's badass, huh? I gotta eat my burger. Let's eat real quick.
Alright, hold on, one more.
Yeah, rip it.
Alright.
Go out here and I'll drift around. What's up? Welcome to the 710 Performance Vlog. Welcome to the 710 Performance Vlog and the Drift Mobile.
Crazy.
What's up, everybody? So some of you who follow us on Instagram and other social media saw that we posted this vehicle a couple of months ago, right before the whole virus thing went on, as I think I said earlier. Well, we were finally able to pick it up, and what a piece of work this is. So this is a 212 Predator engine strapped to a custom go-kart frame that, as you can see, is a 3-wheel frame with a nice hydraulic brake setup, so when you hit the brakes, it actually stops. A big old fatty that we're actually tearing up already, so you can see we're gonna go through some wheels on this. We're definitely gonna be going through some tires on this. But this big old fat boy right now, it's completely stock, but we definitely have more plans for this. There are some things that we want to adjust so it sits better on our feet and so we have better foot control. Right now, the actual throttle cable needs to be replaced, so that's one of the first things that we're gonna do. That's why you see us reaching here in the back and hitting the throttle, is because the throttle cable needs to be replaced. So that's something we're gonna go ahead and do this weekend. But we're gonna document the build and some fun different stuff with this bike. We're looking at, of course, we want you to let us know in the description down below, but we've been looking at Honda dirt bike engines as well as a Ducati 999R engine that we can put on here. Now the Ducati, we definitely need to do a lot more modifications than the dirt bike engine, but we definitely want to do some things to build it up. So this is what we've got working on, and we will go in more depth here in just a bit.
Go.
Hey, move that tire in front of it.
In front of it?
Yeah.
You ruined it. That's how we do it.
Fucking send it! We're gonna go get one. Okay, so we actually ruined this tire the first day we got it, doing a burnout, and it ripped. It's all leaking right in there, and all this is just tore. So yeah, we went ahead and roasted the first tire. Good thing Hoosier makes tires for this. So as long as it doesn't sit too high, otherwise we might have to put the engine up on some blocks, which is fine. We can just go ahead and get some rubber engine mounts and mount it a little bit better. But yeah, if you see that burnout, we roasted it. Let us know in the comments down below what kind of engine you think we should put on this. This is gonna be one of the, we wanna do regular pieces of content on this each week. If we're uploading 3 videos a week, we want some to be powder coating, obviously, and we want some to be the kart. This isn't just a powder coating channel. This is having fun and ripping it too. It's about being performance and 710 performance. So this is the OHV Hemi Predator engine. And we've been running it basically since we got it back here, so for like 2 hours. And it's ripping good. So we're gonna go ahead and sign off. We'll get a new tire, get this put on, and we got a lot more fun with this coming.